Is your TASKA Hand due for its complimentary annual service? Taking advantage of this warranty service is easy. Let me guide you through the step-by-step process on getting your hand serviced by your local TASKA Prosthetics service centre. After a year from the initial fitting of your TASKA Hand and during the warranty period, you'll be eligible for complimentary annual servicing to ensure it remains updated and in peak condition. You will need to book the service directly through your clinician, and in some cases, they may get in touch with you first. Once you're at the clinic, it's an excellent time to check in with your clinical team and discuss how has your TASKA Hand performed over the past year. We do encourage you to raise any concerns or faults that you have experienced, as this will provide our team with the necessary information to best service your hand. Your clinician will back up and apply your settings to a loaner hand before you leave the clinic, allowing you to continue your daily life without any disruptions. From the clinic, your TASKA Hand will be sent to the nearest TASKA service centre where our team will receive it and begin the service. Once we receive the hand, our team will perform over 50 visual and functional inspections to catch any potential issues early. The latest software and hardware updates will be applied, including battery optimization, maximising your hand's performance. We'll give it a thorough clean, fine-tune the grips and lubricate all moving parts. We'll also replace all external cosmetic components, including the boot, the faceplates, and gripping features, ensuring your hand comes back looking fresh and tidy. Once the full service is complete, your hand will be sent back to your clinician. Once received, your clinic will contact you to schedule an appointment to be reunited with your TASKA Hand. When you do meet your clinician, all the updates and repairs will be explained, so you can go through and enjoy the benefits of your newly serviced TASKA Hand. So, if your hand is under warranty and you think you're overdue for your annual service, reach out to your clinician and get booked in today.